Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to enable or disable auto update in Google Play Store. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to enable or disable the auto update, you need to enter into your Play Store and then settings. Over the settings, you need to enter into your network preferences. On the network preferences, you need to find auto update apps and then click into it. Over there you can choose based on your wish, either update all apps or update with a limited amount of mobile data or update over Wi-Fi or do not update apps. So here you can enable or disable based on your wish to for auto update. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye, thank you guys.